What's up, guys? It's your boy Big Homie Fit Tech, back real quick with a very quick unboxing of the Nintendo Switch. Sure you guys have seen this. Let me see if I can dim this light a little. Hopefully that's still bright enough. But yeah, I have been holding out, sacrificing, and finally went ahead and snagged one. Of course, you guys already know what that is. I just grabbed one title, Working Brother again, check to check. Push that to the side. This was some kind of coin. Let's see. That's why I had some kind of Mario. This is Super Mario Odyssey coin. I don't know, maybe it's some kind of collectible. Not sure, but that came with it. And of course, you got the system. So let's see what's inside, guys. Of course, you guys probably already know all the specs and everything about the Switch. Might not need the unboxing knife for this one. Let's see. Yeah, no box required, guys. And this is a little unorthodox. Shooting this in my room on the floor because I'm in the process of cleaning up and creating a space for this guy. So as you can see, that's the system. Like a 7-inch tablet. That's what it looks like. Nintendo Switch, kickstand, speakers, USB Type-C, kickstand, SD card slots underneath. On the top, got the game card slot. Looks like ventilation. Power button, volume up and down. Put that to the side. Got the Joy-Cons. And what else do we get in here? Oh, sweet. They actually hook you up with a micro USB. Looks like the AC adapter, which is USB Type-C. Pretty dope. Joy-Con connectors for, you know, when you're playing with the Joy-Cons alone. And there's another one. Guys, make sure you don't put those joints on the wrong way. Standard joystick. If you want to make the Joy-Cons like a regular controller. Usual books. We don't do those. And this looks like the dock. That's your dock, guys. Little compartment, I believe this flips down. Got your AC adapter, USB, HDMI out. Flips up for cable management. And that's where your Switch slides into. 2 USB ports. And that's about it. There, guys. So, very quick and brief unboxing of your Nintendo Switch. Major shout out to my new subscribers. Peace and blessings. It's your boy Big Homie Fit Tech. Be back with a review. Peace.